Hello guys! Today's video, I will show you how to buy UFO gaming token on Trustwallet. So before you make the decision to buy this coin, please do a research. To search and analyze UFO gaming, you can visit ClearMarkup on CoinMarketCap website. Once on the website, use the search bar to type in UFO gaming and click on the matching result to access the tokens page. From there, you can view various charts and analytics that can assist you in making an informed decision. To proceed, you'll need to move to have a Trustwallet installed on your mobile phone. If you don't already have it, you can download it for free from Google Play. Once you have Trustwallet installed and verified, you can open the app to continue. To purchase UFO gaming token, you'll need to have Ethereum first. You can purchase Ethereum directly from Trustwallet or receive it from another cryptocurrency markets. Once you have Ethereum in your Trustwallet account, copy the contract address from the Chromework Gap website and paste it into your Trustwallet's app to initiate the transaction. Next, navigate to the settings section within the Trustwallet app and paste the contract address that you copied earlier. Then, enable the token and you'll see it appear in your Trustwallet. Once this is done, you need to go to the TFS and select Uniswap. Scroll down a bit to find the UFO gaming token and proceed with the purchase. Select the token, paste the contract address, and click import. Now, you need to click the settings icon here and first try to set slippage tolerance 12%, and if it doesn't work, you can increase it by 1% until it works. So you can start with 12%, and you need to set the amount of UFO gaming token you want to buy and then swap your Ethereum to it. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.